Well, we're about to head over to Starcar and check out some vehicles that they've been working on. But one vehicle in particular they've been working on is a Dodge Charger, which has been upfitted as a law enforcement vehicle. And the car's got an interesting package, very simple, very nice, but interesting control system from Whelen Engineering has been put into the vehicle, along with a range of other lighting and siren options. Let's run across, see what the boys are up to.
Hi, Stuart.
Hey, how you doing there, Danny?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Be a movie star, awesome. Yeah. Gonna be all over YouTube.
So, Austin, you pulling cable?
Always. Right now, just trying to get all the wires through the vehicle and into the trunk where they're going to end up. So gonna be a lot of coiling taking place.
Roughly about how much do you think you put in, cable-wise, in the vehicle?
Footage?
Yeah.
Well, most of the camera stuff's about 25 feet. So that's 150-ish just in camera. Right now there's probably about 400 feet.
400 feet of cable. Wow.
Plus or minus.
And that's just for like a camera system, but just if you're running in the regular equipment, would it be a little bit different than that, or about the same?
No, because I mean this harness here is 25 feet and there's 30 wires in it, and then we have other wires through the headliner and lights on like the back, and those are about 10-15 feet. So on average, most vehicles have close to 300 to 400 feet, depending on how much lighting they're putting on.
And then once you put that piece on there, it would hit the seat. So that's why I've cut it off and then shave those down and drill and tap it so that it's nice and close to the bracket.
So, Danny, you've cut that down now. Where's that going to go?
This is the side partition bracket. It mounts to the B pillar after the trim is on, and then it holds the partition in. It mounts about right here.
Okay.
Pardon? What's the elevation of this mill?
For us,
Yeah, do you know how far down it's gonna go?
3,000, I think.
Above me.
So this is the same car that we were working on yesterday.
This is the same car as yesterday.
Yep, same one.
So pretty much you got everything put in the last couple of hours.
Yep.
Yeah, Dawson actually just got the seat in.
Wow. And you got the trunk tray going in.
Got all the wires now back here.
Well, after 15 cars, you get it down pretty
Goes
fast.
pretty quick.
Yeah.
So you got the Satina screen in, which you were setting up the brackets for yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
You got the weapons mount system in.
The console.
So then you put a new compartment light in the prisoner area.
Yeah, it's a red, white, 3-inch compartment light.
And you found that this has greatly improved visibility inside here.
Yeah, and especially above the camera, it helps a lot.
So it illuminates the prisoner and prisoner area in general.
Mm-hmm.
except for CCSO units can check for their assignments and class loads.
Well, as you can see, the Dodge Charger turned out pretty darn good, and the guys over here at StarCar did an amazing job in putting the vehicle together. You'll get a chance to look around their gear online, so go ahead and check out all the different components that were used in the vehicle. And of course, a big shout out to all the gang, Austin, Devon, who helped put the vehicle together, and of course the big man himself, Doug, and his capable assistant, Ted, who were involved as well. So shout out to the gang at StarCar 2. I'm Stuart. As always, many thanks for watching Sirennet Television.